Now we have next trick. The name of the trick is possibility. When the statement ask about possibilities or use the words like may, can, okay, then this statement can be treated as right if you don't able to solve the question based on your knowledge or logic. Okay, there are exceptions as well. We will go through them. Now this is the question. This is the question. With reference to fly ash produced by the power plants using the coal as fuel, which of the following statements are correct? Okay, now underline all the keywords. The most important thing that you should do in the exam is underlining. Using coal as fuel, which of the following statements are correct? First, fly ash can be used in the production of bricks. Okay, then fly ash can be used as a replacement for some of the Portland cement. And third, fly ash is made up of silicon dioxide and calcium oxide only. Now we have to use if you are using our tricks, then we have to use both the tricks, trick of possibility and trick of extreme. But before using trick, we will try to solve this question based on our knowledge. We have studied for 4 months, at least 4 months in prelims. We have read so much material. So in that case, we will use our knowledge first rather than these tricks. Now, we all know that power plants in India work on coal. And when we burn coal, we get fly ash. First, fly ash can be used in the production of bricks. Obviously, there is a fly ash policy by the government to promote the use of fly ash in road making or even brick making. Okay, so first statement by my knowledge is correct. If it is correct, you can directly remove the remaining options. Fly ash can be used as a replacement for some of the Portland cement contents of concrete. Now this word is some. It is not saying that all the fly ash can be used for all the Portland cement. Some of the Portland cement it can be. Okay, so in that case, second statement is right. So if that is the case, this is the option, this is the answer. Now we will come to third. Fly ash is made up of silicon dioxide and calcium oxide only. Now you are a student of science. Even if you are not student of science, what is coal? Coal is made up of dyed or what do you say, fossil, not fossils, but the plants. It is made up of plants. Okay. Tomorrow, if you burn some plant-related wood or if you burn wood, will you get only these two toxic elements? There are many more. There are so many toxic products which are going into the soil, and those toxic elements are consumed by the plants. And anyway, coal is a product of plants which died thousands of years ago, right? So this statement by your logic should be wrong. How can we have only two toxics? There could be many. Who has analyzed this and who has given this study? Even if you read about fly ash, you won't get these extreme statements. Yeah. They should have given only silicon dioxide or yeah. It to mix you. Okay. And see, one more keyword is there. Does not contain any other toxic element. There are so many thousands of toxic elements. So third statement by my logic is wrong. If I remove 3, this is gone. And this is also gone. Now, if you don't know about these two, 1 and 2 and 2 only. Now you have to think about 1 only. Can be used in the production of bricks. We usually know that fly ash is used for the production of the bricks. So we can go with 1 and 2 as an answer. Now let us see if you are unable to use your knowledge, unable to use your logic, then use tricks. We have this trick of possibility. It is using the word can. Fly ash can, yes, it can be. Then fly ash can be used as a replacement, yes, it can be. Third, use the tricks of extremes only, then it could be wrong. Remove this, use these two, answer is A. Any doubt? But tricks should be used as a last resort. Those should not be the foundation of your your like test solving approach. Okay, your test, the test you should solve based on your knowledge only. If you don't have knowledge, use your knowledge to use your like you should use your common understanding, contemporary significance, historical significance, any current affair associated with it or not, or any kind of logic, right? Is there any doubt regarding this question? We will go to next question. Now this is also a word which has can. Proper design and effective implementation of UN RAID Plus program can significantly contribute to. Now, you should know about this. What is UN RAID? United Nations reduction of emission from desert or desertification. It is regarding like conservation of forest and to reduce desert and desertification. Okay. The basic purpose is to conserve the forest. You should at least know this much, to conserve forest. Okay. Now, if you know only this much, you can solve the question. My knowledge, if I conserve the forest, protection of the biodiversity. Anyway, forest is there, biodiversity will get protected. Resilience of forest ecosystem, obviously. Third, poverty reduction. If I protect forest, the people who are dependent on forest, their poverty level will reduce. Right? Any doubt regarding this? Based on my knowledge, I solve this question. Let us say I'm not sure about this. I can use the logic. The logic same way I can say that if I conserve forest, biodiversity will improve. Every other possibility is there. These are the possibilities if I conserve the forest. Let us say I don't want to use my logic. I will use the tricks as the last resort. This is the word can. Yes, if there is a can, it is a possibility question, and all these things are possible, then answer is D. Firstly, use your knowledge. We all know that forests are very important, and what can be achieved using forest. Whenever someone goes into the forest, he feels, where did I come? How peaceful. Okay, we see so many birds, so many insects, so many animals in the forest. That means it protects biodiversity. Resilience, when you have forest, the animals or plants or flora or fauna which is there in the forest, it gets life, it gets many things they need for their sustenance. That is, it increase the resilience of their niche. Okay, niche is the unique situation in which those flora and fauna can live. Okay, their resilience increases. And third, poverty reduction. If there is a forest, you have forest wood, you have animals, you have many forest products which can be used to reduce the poverty. Okay, answer is D. If you don't know anything, there is a can, this is a possibility, and solve the answer. Now this is one more question with reference to agriculture. In India, how can these technologies, how can the technique of genome sequencing often seen in the news be used in the immediate future? These are the keywords, immediate future. Genome sequencing can be, this keyword, can be used to identify genetic markers for disease resistance and drought tolerance in various crop plants. This is also an open word, various crop plants. It is not necessary that all the crop plants can get benefit of this technology, but many of the crop plants can get the benefit of this technology. Okay, see, genome sequencing in general, you should know what is genome sequencing. That is to identify the genetics. Okay, just to identify genetics, that is genome sequencing. How can the genetic data can be used to use in the agriculture for the benefit of human? Okay, first, genome sequencing can be used to identify genetic markers. My knowledge says that we can use genetic knowledge to understand the various diseases which the crops are vulnerable to, and which can be used to make the crops drought tolerant. We have genetic research. Okay, so many genetic copies, genetic species or genetic crops are coming. GM brinjal is there. Okay, GM cotton. So first statement is right according to my knowledge. If first is right, option B is gone. Come to second. This technique helps in reducing the time required to develop new varieties. Obviously, if you know genetic knowledge, you can easily develop a new variety. Then second should be right as well. This is gone. This is gone. Should I read third? I will directly get an answer. But if I have knowledge, I can directly solve the question. If I don't have knowledge, I will use some logic, some understanding. Yes, I know the genetics. There are so many genetic crops in India. So why are they promoted? Why are those crops are promoted? The reason being, these two are the reason. I will come to third. It can be used to decipher the host pathogen relationship. Obviously, if you have genetic data, you will come to know which pathogen can attack it. Okay, how can we avoid the pathogen? For example, what is BT cotton? Okay, pathogen is the pest. The genetic data is used to solve this thing. Let us see, if you don't have knowledge, you can't use your logic, then go with the trick. The trick is, there is a word can. Okay, how can? These are all possibilities. Answer is D. But it is the last resort. I am not suggesting you to use these tricks at the start. These tricks should be used at the last only. Think in terms of your knowledge. You have given your 4 months. When you give your 4 months, how will you sideline that knowledge? You have to think in terms of your knowledge, whichever book you have read, wherever you have read. All those books are very important rather than tricks. Tricks are there. If you don't find any other alternative, use the tricks. Now we will go with the next question. This is 2020 question, last year. With reference to the carbon nanotubes, consider the following statements. Okay. They can be, see this word, can be used as a carrier of drugs and antigens in the human body. Obviously, nanotechnology, you might have read about nanotechnology. Nanotechnology is all about what? It is to develop such things which can help us in improving our health. Carbon nanotubes, they can be used. Obviously, there is no limitation. There is no research which says that this can't be used. So first statement is right. They can be made into artificial blood capillaries for an injured part of our body. Artificial blood capillaries can be made. Research is going on. You can't directly say that it is not possible. Okay, research is going on. Even humans are thinking about going on, let us say, Mars. As of now, it is not possible, but we can't directly say that it is impossible. It is possible. Okay. Third, they can be used in biochemical sensors. They can be used, right? And fourth, carbon nanotubes are biodegradable. Anything which has carbon in general, it is biodegradable. Okay. So the fourth statement is straightforward one. These three are possibilities, and they are possible in reality. Okay. So my knowledge says that these are possible because I have read about it. Whenever you read carbon nanotubes, these statements will be given in any source. Whichever source you will read, these things will be given. Let us say you didn't read. Even then, you can think about this. Nanotechnology, we know that small things are coming which can be used as a drug carriers. Then they can be artificial blood capillaries. They can be. No one has given us proof that they can't be used. Okay, research is going on. And wherever research is going on, take those statements as right. Okay. That's why this year, like 2020, there were so many science-based questions, and many of them turned right because of this. The possibilities. There can be possibility. हाँ, डालेंगे नहीं, ये भी एक logic है. That is a very good logic. Okay, so fourth statement should be right. Remove this A1, A gone. At least उसमें तो आप सोच सकते हो बचे हुए में. कभी भी क्या करना है, जब भी आपके पास, whenever you think that you are unable to solve a question based on your knowledge, you can always go with, you can have like simultaneously you go with this and this. You remove this, try to see which option can be a right answer of this question. Okay, स्टेटमेंट और ऑप्शन दोनों एक साथ देख देख के आपको सॉल्व करना पड़ेगा। ऐसा नहीं है कि पहले मैं स्टेटमेंट पढ़ूंगा और डायरेक्टली आंसर आ जाएगा, ऐसा नहीं होगा। दिस थिंग विल नॉट हैपन। समटाइम्स you have to think, let us say if you are able to solve the question based on only one statement, then you will be saving a lot of time in that question, okay, and that time you can use in the next question. Clear? Any doubt? Finally, if you don't have any other alternative, go with our trick of possibilities. Clear?